today we will read about the sources of food. What are the sources of food? There are three main sources of food for human beings. It means we get food ingredients from three sources. These are plants. Plants provides us many ingredients, animals some ingredients, and from earth we also get two important ingredients, that are salt and water. So now let me explain about the plant source. What we will get from plant? First is the cereals. You all know about cereals? Yes, we eat bread, rice, maize, corn. All these are included in cereals. Cereals are the grains of the grass family. These are the source of what they provide us. They provide us energy for doing our work. The example of cereals are rice, maize, wheat, jowar and bajra. Other cereals are also there, but you must know these. These are the common cereals. Cereals are the staple food. It means they constitute the largest part of our food. So now, second thing that we get from plant that we eat are pulses. Pulses are again grains. Grains means seeds. Grains of the leguminous family. These grains are very rich source of protein. That's why we eat pulses. And protein is necessary for our growth and bodybuilding. So there are many types of pulses that we eat. These are gram, arhar, moong, masoor, urad, rajma, etc. Third ingredient that we obtain from plants are vegetables. Students, you all eat different types of vegetables. Plants have also many parts. Some vegetables are root, some are stem, some are their leaves, some are their fruits, and some are their seeds also. Let us talk about vegetables. As I have told you, there are many parts of plant that are eaten by us. Almost all parts of plants are eaten by human beings. So, vegetables especially, we take from all the parts of the plant. So, some vegetables that we eat, we take from their roots. So, root vegetables are radish, carrot, turnip, sweet potato, etc. Stem, from stem also we take vegetables. So, potato, onion, ginger, sugarcane, etc. are the vegetables that we eat from stems. Sugarcane is of course not a vegetable. It is the source of sugar. But we take it from plant stem. Leaves. Spinach, cabbage, lettuce, coriander, mustard, etc. are the leafy vegetables. These are the plant leaves and fruits. Students, do you think that only apple, banana, guava, these are the fruits? No. Fruit is the part of plant. Some plant parts that are eaten raw or by cooking, these are called fruits, vegetables. So fruit vegetables are tomato, brinjal, cucumber, gourd, pumpkin, jackfruit, etc. There are many. Some plant flowers are also eaten as vegetable. These are cauliflower, broccoli, etc. So students, now let us study about the different ingredients that we get from plants. These are fruits. You all love to eat fruits, and these fruits are very common that we eat. These are apple, guava, banana, pomegranate, orange, etc. These are the part of plant that are eaten raw because these are very rich in vitamin and minerals. Next ingredient of our food is oil. So there are many plants whose seeds are crushed and the oil is extracted from them that we eat in our daily food. These are mustard, the very common oil, coconut that is used in South India, sunflower, olive, groundnut are also some common oils. Spices. What are spices? Spices are the parts of plants that have special kind of essence or fragrance. So we add them to make our food delicious. So these are common spices: mustard, cumin, clove, coriander, cinnamon, thyme, turmeric, chili, etc. Sugar is also a very important part of our food. So sugar is made from sugarcane juice. The other source of sugar is beetroot. Last, the ingredient that is used by human beings, but it is not a food as it do not provide us any kind of nutrient. So these are called beverages. Beverages are tea, coffee and cocoa. Tea and coffee have some stimulant in it. So this stimulant makes our body fresh. When we feel lazy or sleepy, we eat tea and coffee. Why? Because it has an stimulant called caffeine. Students, today we will read about animal sources of food. So you all know that there are only some sources of food that we get from animals. So first animal source is milk. Animal product is milk. Milk is very good food. It is a complete food and it is obtained from cow, buffalo, goat, sheep and camel. Almost all nutrients are present in milk except vitamin C and cellulose. So milk is a complete food, and from milk we make some milk products. These are ice cream. You all love to eat ice cream, sweets, paneer, ghee and butter. Many other things are also made from milk. Second ingredient that we obtain for our food is egg. That is, we get from birds. Birds like hen and duck. Third is meat. Many people eat eggs and meat, so they are called non-vegetarians. And people who only eat food obtained from plants and they also eat milk are called vegetarians. So we eat meat of birds and herbivores like goat, sheep. We also eat the meat of fish also. Fourth and the last ingredient that we take from animal is honey. You all know honey is stored in honeycomb by the honeybees, and honey is not a food. It has medicinal value also. It is very good for our health. It has enzymes, sugar and some minerals that are essential for our body. You read about the food habits of animals. Animals eat different types of food, and according to their food, they are classified or divided into different groups. They are given different names also. So first group is herbivores. Herbivores has two words. Herb means green plants, vorous means eaters. So plants that eat only green plants and their parts are called herbivores. Their examples are there: cow, goat, sheep, camel, giraffe, elephant, etc. There are many others also. Second type of animals is called carnivores. Again, carni means flesh, vores means eaters. So flesh eaters are called carnivores. These are lion, tiger, leopard, etc. Third is called omnivores. Omni का मतलब है, omni means both. Both type means herbs and flesh. The animals that eat both green plants or herbs also, plant products also and flesh also. These are called omnivores. So humans, dog, cat, bears, cockroaches, crows are called omnivores. And fourth is the scavengers. Scavengers are also called nature's cleaners. These are some carnivores and omnivores which eat the leftover part of the herbivores that are killed by carnivores. So these are called nature's cleaners. The example of scavengers are hyena, crow, eagle, vulture, etc. Last one is decomposers. Decompose means todna, means to decompose any substance. So these are bacteria and viruses. These are bacteria and fungi. नहीं, इसको तो फिर से करना पड़ेगा.